My dream to be a diplomat. When I was a kid, I dreamed to be a diplomat. Then I tell my mom that I want to be a diplomat. And my mother said to me, if I want to be a diplomat, I have to major in international relation at college. Because in international relation, we will be guided how to become diplomat. For me, to become a diplomat, it might be difficult, but my mother say she will always pray for me, and my mother also say I should try it. She's always support me where every time when I say I'm tired. She always she said to me to always study and don't forget to pray.